Paano ba 'to? Wala kaming ulam ngayong gabi. May sakit pa si nanay. Saan ako makakahanap ng pera nito? Talaga ba? Uy, tamang-tama. Gipit kami ngayon. Makakatulong ito sa amin. Hindi ako makapaniwala na ibibigay ko ang aking impormasyon sa kanila. Sana totoo ito.
What is scamming? Scamming is when someone tricks or deceives others to steal their money or personal information. And how to avoid being scammed? Be skeptical. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instinct and question offer that seems too perfect or unrealistic. Avoid sharing unnecessary personal information online, especially on social media platforms where it can be accessed by scammers. And the most important is educate yourself. Stay informed about common online scams and learn how to recognize the sign of scamming activity to better protect